Hey everyone, if you're new to ActiveCampaign and want to learn how to create your first automation, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through a beginner-friendly guide to setting up an automation that will save you time and improve your email marketing. Let's get started. First, head over to the Automations tab and click Create an Automation. You can start with a pre-built template. And there are a lot to choose from, but I recommend starting from scratch just to really get a feel for how everything works. Next, you'll set a trigger, and this is what kicks off the automation. So for example, when a contact subscribes to your list, or when a purchase is made. So let's click on that, makes a purchase. There we go. And you can integrate this with whatever platform you choose. And also you can segment the contacts. All right, so let's just go ahead and add start. Great. After setting a trigger, you'll begin adding actions. This could be sending a welcome email. So let's do that. Welcome email. And here you can choose whichever template best suits your needs. We're just going to go with text only. Continue. And we're going to start from scratch. And let's just type something in. Let's say we'd like to welcome you to our brand. Whatever brand that is. All right, save and exit. All right, great. So you can also tag a contact or wait a certain number of days before sending the next email. So the visual workflow builder makes it easy to map out your entire automation. So once your automation is built, all you have to do is click on Active to start running it. And that's it. You've just created your first automation. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, grab a free trial in the description and start automating your marketing today.